रविवार को दोपहर 2 बजे BMW का एक ऐसा दर्दनाक हादसा जिसने एक परिवार का एक ऐसा होनहार लड़का छीना जो इस पूरे परिवार की जान था। उनके पिता हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं, उनसे बातचीत करते हैं। सर, जो घटना है वो बेहद दुखद है। 19 किलोमीटर लंबा ले जाना, क्या कहेंगे इस पे?
The intentions are modified. Otherwise, it is a principle. If a person is met with an accident, he must be taken to the nearest hospital at the quickest speed. The chances of survival are more. This has not happened in this case. It was deliberately taken about 20 kilometers away because that lady who was driving, they have got their home next to the nursing home near Mukherjee Nagar police station.
कैसे थे नवजोत? आप पिता हैं, यूएन भी गए जा चुके हैं।
Brought him up, have got him admitted in the Air Force School, Dhaula Kuan. He call it Teffians. He has completed his education along with my daughter. She has also studied in the same school. Now she is in America. So then he did his graduation, BSc honors from and Raja Garden, what is that college? Shivaji College. He topped in the college in spite of meeting with some minor accident. Then later on he did his MSc Botany on national scholarship along with the colleagues of his Priya Ranjan, who is an IFS officer.
यूएन भी गए थे।
He was a very close friend. Now he's some senior officer there. The Priya Ranjan's daughter and Navjot's son, they were studying in Triple IT Delhi for biotech, BTech. I have brought him up very simple but very intelligent, very sober, helping, always ready to help anybody out of the way. Sometime we used to go to the airport to receive one of his friends who is in Indian Foreign Service, now posted in Netherlands. I said, why he can come in the cab? He said, no, he's my friend, please don't interfere. I love picking him up and dropping at his home. This is the spirit he had, their close friend. Then he has risen in his ranks from section officers to undersecretary to deputy secretary. Now he was aiming to be director.
प्रमोशन भी हुआ था।
He was due for his promotion. For that he has last week undergone a training for 4 days in Meghalaya in Shillong and 6 days here, 10 days training was there. And Friday happens to be the last day of his training. He was very happy. He says, today I will not dine at home. We are having some sort of get together. All my colleagues will be having dinner outside. Okay. He did his, he enjoyed, and I remember I have seen photographs. At the end of the party, he's clicking a selfie with a smiling face, the maroon turban on, and the people are there. That was the last photograph. It is very touching. It is very touching. I never knew that on Saturday he was at home because they are having holidays on Saturday and Sunday. Saturday he was at home, and Sunday he wanted to go to Gurdwara Bangla Sahib for a change after all this training and all. He had his darshan of Gurdwara and then gone to some Karnataka Bhavan for lunch and all that. And later on he was coming to home via Dhalakua, and he met this unfortunate accident which is fatal for him.
कि अब स्थिति कैसी है, क्या कुछ जानकारी मिली?
She was injured very badly, and she has just finished the operation at Venkateshwar Hospital. Thanks God, the operation has been very successful. That is what somebody has told me just now.
क्या मांग है फिलहाल पुलिस से? हालांकि पुलिस ने सबूतों से छेड़छाड़ करने के तहत भी मामला दर्ज किया है, लेकिन लगता है कि एक बड़ी लापरवाही है।
I can't say about this functioning of the police. You all know the lady who was hit my son, she has manipulated in a way that Navjot and Sandeep should be taken to furthest hospital, because that lady's house is in the next lane of the nursing home, New Life Hospital. That is the reason. And the Indian laws are such that anybody who is making this sort of unfortunate development is let off, is a bailable offense. It's a bailable offense. So they all know, everybody knows. We have lost our son, only son. I have lost my only son, who was all round very obedient, lovable. He used to be loved by the subordinates as well as the bosses. Everybody is feeling the absence. So tragic, so tragic. I just can't bear it. I am not able to withstand this, because I have been to the war and I have seen a lot of serious situations with the Pakistan, and I have not broken down, which I have broken down now. Very hopeless, very hopeless. I just can't say anything.
ठीक है, समझ ही सकते हैं कि एक होनहार बेटा जब नहीं रहता तो दुख कितना होगा, और एक ऐसे परिवार पर जो सबका चहीता हो। और तमाम लोग आपको तस्वीरों में देखेंगे। देखिए तमाम जो लोग हैं ये फ़िलहाल उनके जानकार भी हैं, उनसे बात भी कर लेते हैं, उनके मित्र हैं। कैसे थे नवजोत, कैसा व्यवहार था उनका?
मैं इतना ही कह सकता हूँ कि वो बहुत ही सरल, सिंसियर, डेडिकेटेड, कॉम्पोज्ड, और अगर पंजाबी उसमें बोला जाए तो एक बीबा मुंडा कहते हैं ना, उस टाइप के थे वो।
क्या कहेंगे सर आप?
कुछ कहने नहीं।
तो देखिए सीधे तौर पर ये जो दुख है, जो कष्ट है, उसको तो शायद फ़िलहाल इस पूरे मामले में कम नहीं किया जा सकता है, लेकिन अब ज़रूर पुलिस की तफ्तीश पर यह माना जाए कि अगर पुलिस इस पूरे मामले में तफ्तीश करती है तो शायद परिवार वालों को न्याय मिले। क्योंकि सीधे तौर पर आरोप ये है कि जब ये एक्सीडेंट हुआ उस समय वहाँ से 22 किलोमीटर की दूरी पर जो अस्पताल था वहाँ पर उनको ले जाया गया। अगर पास के अस्पताल में नवजोत को ले जाते तो शायद नवजोत हमारे बीच में होते। वीडियो जर्नलिस्ट मनोज अधिकारी के साथ सुशील पांडे, AVP न्यूज़, दिल्ली।